HiRevz Media is sponsored by Born to Ride Motorcycle Magazine. Check out borntoride.com.
Definitely faster.
Definitely. I heard a little pop, so we probably got a little bit of playing with some of the idle circuits.
Yeah, but
These run on the idle circuit until about $3,000. I'm sure the Fiat guys are going to correct me on that.
Yeah! Silencio, Bruno!
It's amazing how much better it runs with all 4 plug wires on it. Those are the ones you hope and pray for, though, because those are easy to fix. Silencio, Bruno, silencio, Bruno.
This thing's got good brakes and good steering. So bad more about turning. It's just getting there as fast as possible. It's running so much better though. It's amazing how much it pulls.
You don't have to downshift it.
Yeah. I mean, that's pulling awesome.
I love the sounds it makes too.
Top end sounds like a Ferrari.
There's a point it gets to where all of the cylinders blend together.
Yep.
Yeah, and that's when it gets into that point.
Off the idle onto the mids, it starts through the most tube, I guess, is a little bit off.
That sounded killer. So did that.
Watch out, fuckers.
Look out, look out!
Yeah! Getting crazy. Hang on. Now that's a turn, baby!
It squawked the tire.
That's the breaking point. That sounds awesome.
It does.
I was so excited that he had those ANSA tips. I cannot believe it.
Now he's gonna drive slow and slow us down.
Yeah. Typical BMW driver. Take off like a crazy bat out of hell.
Exactly.
And then go 20.
He hears us raising hell in this, and he probably don't like it.
He
But
probably
it is.
don't. There he goes. There he goes. I bet you he left his house to come see us.
And there it is. 4 grand is where it happens.
Oh yeah.
Because this being a 2-liter and not one of the smaller engines, you know as well as I do, they probably put a low-end cam in it, you know what I mean?
Yeah. This one has the motor's been going through though, so I wondered if they had put something a little better than stock in it, but who knows?
Who knows? Being this car is as good and as untouched as it is, I'm about willing to bet they probably went back stock.
You mean as it was?
Ruined Fiats.
Yeah, if you haven't checked out mine and Greg's nice Facebook group, it's called Ruined VWs. We're actually pretty big VWs guys. This is my first Italian car ever, which is surprising because I've had over 200.
It's surprising.
So, but might have to start up a Ruined Fiat screw. So, which is already, there actually is a Ruined, I mean not a Ruined, but a Fiat Resto mod group. It's actually pretty awesome. There's a guy on there, he was sending me pictures and videos of his car. He's got a 4.3 Chevy in one of these things.
That's amazing.
It's awesome. He's got dual exhaust coming out the back. I mean,
it runs too.
Oh,
Those 4.3s
and
with great
he left a 5-speed with it.
Oh, that's amazing.
So, but it's a GM 5-speed, so it actually is tougher.
Yeah, exactly. It's better than the Italian one. It's amazing. That thing sounds good.
It
too.
does sound good. He wants us to know it too.
He does.
Right up into the boat.
About to get me some.
God, it sounds good though.
It does. It's got a killer exhaust note. But really, honestly, man, out of the box, for us just tinkering with them a little bit, these things are running great.
Yeah.
They really are, you know.
Yeah, this isn't bad at all. Especially for 15 minutes of tinkering around with them, getting run this good.
Yeah.
Out of the box. I mean, literally, you know, like I said, we just blew through them and cleaned up the jets and set the float height, and then took a couple minutes to get them synchroned up.
I love that sound.
Right as it started eating me, it slowed down. Because there's boats everywhere. Welcome to Georgia. A little bit of tinkering, a little more synchronizing, a little bit adjusting the idles. Couldn't get it. It still made a little popping and cracking. But I ended up just messing with the time and a little bit more, twisting on it a little bit more on my ear. And now it is running like a scalded dog. Woo! Yes! Man, that feels good. Dual carbs completely woke this thing up now. I mean, it is a totally different beast. I mean, it feels like, well, I mean, it feels the seat of the pants. It feels like almost double the horsepower. Because, I mean, and now it just takes off and it rips. I mean, it is proper fast now. It's the amount of fast you want out of a little car like this. It's not crazy. I mean, it's not fast in real life terms. I mean, it's nothing compared to my Viper. But as far as all out fun, this did it. This absolutely made this the car it needed to be, that it was designed to be. Essentially back to its roots, right back to the dual carbs. These are 44s, but the original was the 1400s and stuff like that. They had 40 series, you know, but golly. I mean, it just takes off.
Yeah.
But when I first got it, it wasn't even opening up the carburetor all the way. I mean, this thing was crazy slow.
Yeah. It's really slow.
And now, it rips.
And it's a lot louder.
It's a lot louder for sure. Yeah, and it got louder after doing the carburetor. But now the carburetors are going, whoa, and they're really just humming up, matching the exhaust. And then you get the humming of the intakes, the humming of the exhaust, and it sounds like we have a dang Ferrari V8 or something going top end. I had a guy try to buy it from me last night, actually. He was like, man, what kind of hot rod is that? He thought I had a V8 in it.
He did?
He did, yeah. Because it's just idling. Going, blah, 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 blah. And I was like, oh, it's just a little 4-cylinder Fiat. And he goes, are you kidding? I was like, nope, that's what it is. He was like, man, he goes, you want to sell it? And I was like, nah, I think I'll keep it. It's too good of a car now. Oh, it burned out full pause right then. It was skidding sideways. Woo! Ah, so good. Man, so good. I mean, it is like doubly fast.
It sounds like a different car now.
It does sound like a different car now. And that's those 4 intakes just humming crazy. It makes it above $4,000. I mean, it sounds total Ferrari. I mean, that is freaking awesome.
Time to get out and play. AMSOIL delivers the ultimate protection for your vehicles and equipment. Fast, free shipping right to your door. Spend $100 and shipping is on us. Order now at AMSOIL.com.